on top of the cake.
Oh, pretty necklace.
Whoa, that's long.
Look,
That
put on
is
the necklace.
Fabulous.
Put on a necklace.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh,
thank
boy.
you.
It really is. Oh, no.
Don't pull.
Yeah,
Careful. Thank you.
What's for Lily?
Oh, Lily, let's.
This, get this one or what?
Yeah, go
Lily.
Look what Grandma has for Lily.
Grandma has a gift.
For
For
Lily.
Lily.
Oh!
For Lily. What did you do over the music?
Oh!
What's that?
Ooh, it's a
Tub
it's a
toy.
Cool.
For your bath. It's Ernie. And
I
a
am
rubber
mesmerized.
ducky.
Wow.
I think so.
I hope that's pointed out.
Yeah, it is. Down a little. Yeah. Down.
Is that Ernie
Down.
Bird
Put
from
it
the
up
tub?
here.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Ernie Bird from the tub.
Wow.
Perfect.
Can we get one for
Colors and
Auntie? Come on.
sounds.
You wind him up and he swims around the tub.
You want for Grandpa? Can you do that for Grandpa, please?
Thank you.
Good helper.
Good helper. Auntie, this is for Ken and
Oh,
Lily.
thank you. Oh my goodness.
Oh, cool.
Let's see what this is.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, we use that chair.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
Mom. Where's my food?
Oh, how beautiful.
That.
Oh, I love it. Wow. That
I
is
think the rest of Mommy's
fabulous.
Mommy's reaction.
That is fabulous.
Love that.
Sachin, do we have that on video?
Yeah, we do.
We both love this. I guess.
We have the evidence.
Yes.
We both love this. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Lily. Thank you, Kenny. Thank you, Big Mommy.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you. This is perfect.
You know what's so perfect about it?
My wallet broke, and I have
Oh.
no place to put any change or anything. This is perfect. I can put it in here. I can put some of my good cards in
Yeah,
here.
that's what I thought.
Here's for Lily.
Oh, for Lily.
For Lily.
For Lily.
No,
No, Lily.
Not Maya, for Lily.
For Lily.
Pretty hat.
Ooh, pretty.
Oh, it's perfect. It's from St. Paul.
Where did
Where are you going? You running away?
For a mirror. Or
Yeah.
Let's see, Lily.
Or the Matt Mills line.
look at it.
Yeah, let's look at your hat. From
Oh,
Grandma.
beautiful.
Let's look in this mirror right here.
Maya's entertained.
Yes.
That's why I was like, give me a Toitos.
Beautiful hat.
Impress?
Is that the New York Yankees yearbook?
Yeah.
What's she playing with?
What a pretty hat.
You wanna hold?
Comes off hat.
Can Maya have another toy?
Yeah.
I see how this is gonna go.
Lily, give this to Aunt Susie.
Uh-oh. Let's open for Maya.
Oh.
Oh boy! I don't think we put that on the list.
That-
on.
That came in the...
Oh, really?
Oh, no. I think
Oh,
maybe Santa
wow.
Claus got
Cool.
Santa got that excited.
Spinning and lights and movement.
Hey, Grandpa. Want to get that out of the box?
Lily, can you give this to Aunt Susie? Maybe not.
Okay, let's open a present from
She's
Lily.
distracted by the piano toy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, boy.
Here, wait. This is just the bomb. Diane wrapped all of our.
She did? Oh, how nice.
Hey, did we ask Annette if she could do that?
No.
Look, Maya fix it there.
Huh?
She likes it where she is.
She likes to sit up. Pretty.
Oh.
Oh, this is just what I need now.
Yeah, that's what I use.
Because now I forget everything all the time.
Nice.
It is. And that's all small for Mommy because now we got all your stuff.
It almost looks like a man purse.
Can't
It
fit a,
could be.
hey Mary Jo, you can't fit a bag of ice in there though.
Have you seen The Hangover?
I haven't yet.
I brought it.
Hysterical.
I brought
You
it.
did?
So
did?
funny.
Thank you. See what Mommy got?
Lily? Lily, give this to Uncle Sachin.
You see what Mommy got?
Wow. Thank you, Lily.
Uncle Sachin
Thank
again.
you.
Good
And
helping.
this is for Grandpa?
Again, for
Lily's a good
Oh,
helper
thank you
today.
This is Lily.
For Lily.
Lily, we have a present for you
For
here.
Lily.
For Lily. For Lily.
Boy. What's it gonna be?
See.
Oh! Instruments!
Cool.
Wow.
Now you can play music.
Oh, boy.
A xylophone.
Thank you. Yeah. Nice.
Oh,
It's a
cool.
sport watch.
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you.
here's one of those.
Yeah, everyone can always use it.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Very nice.
You can show how slow I run now.
All right.
When I get back on the treadmill,
Oh.
it's going to show an awfully slow person.
Oh, yeah. Me too,
Thank you.
Sachin. Does Maya want another gift?
Yeah.
Where are the scissors?
They're on the table over there. Here. Let's give her Maya some. That might be a.
Oh boy, what is this?
Oh.
Hold on. This is great. Hold on. Here, like this, Lily.
No, those are the maracas.
Flute. Oh,
How big is baby?
Oh, boy.
Thank you, Santa.
We're in trouble now.
Yeah.
Another toy?
No.
More toys that make noise.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ken, you going to have fun with that xylophone?
Absolutely.
Way to go.
The way they wrap these toys now is just pretty
I
incredible.
know. It
Well,
really
they have
is.
to.
this is for Auntie.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Very nice.
Here, Lily, watch Grandma. Watch Grandma.
See, on the side, Lily.
With my lefty here.
Maybe the bib is in her, making her uncomfortable. Do you
I
think?
think she's just tired.
She's tired.
And there's a lot of stimulation.